Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you all how I make my thumbnails. Let's start. I make my thumbnails on PicsArt app. First we have to open the app and tap on plus. Now we have to select backgrounds. You can select whichever background you want, but I want green background, so I'm typing here green background. As you can see, there is a variety of backgrounds. Now because I want it in the YouTube thumbnail ratio, so I will go on ratio and select the YouTube ratio and adjust the background accordingly. I'm going to add 3 pictures and then rotate them. Now I'm using the cutout option. You can select the portion which you want in your thumbnail. And then erase off the extra part. We have to do the same thing with the next 2 pictures. If you want to put border, you can put. This is one way we can put the border, and there is another way also. The second way is we have to go on brushes and then go on the first option and type on white color and now start doing the outline. That's it. These were the 2 ways how we can put the outline or border. Now we are adding text. There are many font styles. You can select whichever you want. I liked this. Now we are done with the text. Next, again I'm going on brushes. I'm selecting white flowers because it looks nice. We are done with that thumbnail. Now it's time to save it. You can directly save it by tapping that arrow. We are done. That was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.